Interior PERKÖNAS Robotics Valkyrie Factory Day. The factory hums with chaos. Sparks fly, robotic Arnvelnias assemble, Eitvara's X1 lightning fighters, and the air reeks of oil and desperation. Rick Grimes, scarred and resolute, surveys the scene. Beside him stands Dr. Lena's the sharp-witted engineer behind the operation. Welcome to the Thunderdome. This is where we build the future. Future's got a lot of moving parts, and everyone's trying to kill us. Kazi Slime, the CFO, joins, adjusting his tie. We need your help, Rick. Last night, Rogue Synthetics hit us hard. Rick eyes the Eitvara's X1, a sleek, menacing machine. You're reactive. That's your problem. And you're not. I'm proactive. We poka-yoke our defenses, turn these containers into fortresses, and hit 'em where it hurts. The factory pulses with purpose as Rick's plan takes shape. Rick Grimes. This ain't just survival, it's the future. And I ain't letting Rogue Toasters take it.